Okay, hello everyone. I have had some technology issues like crazy this week. So, found out the microphone on my computer wasn't working, cannot hook up to Facebook Live. So, I've been kind of doing my best to try and get things organized and set up. I have some Zoom meetings organized for next week, and I'll be letting you know about those events when they'll be running. And today I just wanted to jump on and have some time with you to maybe guide you through a meditation practice. And I thought if we did a loving kindness meditation, it would be helpful not only for us to relax and just let go of our week, the last couple of weeks, however long your stressors have been with you, but also just to radiate some love and some kindness out into the planet and the world. So let's begin. You can have your eyes closed if you like. Nothing exciting going on here anyhow. All of the, hopefully you've got your TV turned off and you have some time to turn off the news for a bit anyhow as we take a moment together. So eyes opened or eyes closed, preferably, as I said, eyes are closed so that you can let the awareness be fully internally. And taking the time just to scan your body and notice if you're holding on to any unnecessary tensions anywhere. And just let some of those tensions just melt down and away. So before we get into the loving kindness portion, let's do a little progressive relaxation. So let's get started by becoming aware of the crown of your head. And as you exhale, invite your crown to relax. And softening the big brow muscle across the forehead, letting go through the upper cheeks, the lower cheeks, the jaw. Relaxing the neck, the shoulders. If you're seated, let the elbows dangle from the shoulder girdle. And if you chose to lie down for this experience, just letting everything wash away from the arms, the shoulders. And then bringing that same type of relaxation right down into your arms, the hands, the fingers. As you soften the torso, just enjoying the rise and fall of the chest, the rise and fall of the abdomen. As you give more completely the body into the floor or the chair, whatever surface you're currently resting upon. And then letting go through your legs, relax the hips, the thighs, the knees, the shins and calves, the ankles, all the way down to the feet. So once again, just letting yourself scan the body. And if there's any residual tensions here, just let them release. Exhaling and just feeling the body melting, letting go. Although there is a lot going on in the world and on the planet right now, in this exact moment, just taking the time for yourself. All of those things will still be there when we're done with this practice today. I'm just taking a few deep, cleansing breaths. As you begin to say, just silently and mentally to yourself, may I be at peace. May I be free from suffering. May I be happy. And just repeating that again. May I be at peace. May I be free from suffering. May I be happy. And you might find that you're struggling with some of those words right now, as you might not find them to be true. If you feel like you'd like to change any of the wording, just do so for yourself. As you now bring to mind someone whom you love dearly, and you might see, sense, feel, or imagine them standing in front of you or within social distancing space between you and the other. And as you imagine or feel this person saying in your mind, may you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. May you be happy and healthy and strong. May you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. May you be healthy and happy and strong. Very good. Now let's consider someone who is neutral to you. In fact, let's choose all of the people who are working in the grocery stores right now, as those clerks are so stressed. And if you have one person who you think of and their face pops clearly in your mind, think of that person, or just as a collective. Maybe send this as if it were a beam of light flooding the whole store that you normally shop at. And as it comes to your mind, is saying silently unto yourself, may you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. May you be happy and healthy and strong. May you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. May you be happy and healthy and strong. Very good. Now bring to mind someone to whom you have had a struggle with recently. And that might even be some of the government officials right now, if you're not happy with some of the practices with COVID-19 and how things have been handled or how they're handling things in this moment. Again, just see, sense, feel, or imagine. It might not even have anything to do with that. Maybe it's someone more close to you in your personal life that you've had a struggle with. Just choose just one. And as you bring this individual into your mind, or group of individuals into your mind, saying those same words, may you be free from suffering. May you be happy and healthy and strong. And again, may you be at peace. May you be happy and healthy and strong. May you be free from suffering. Very good. Now, from wherever you reside, continue to sense these feelings of love, these feelings of kindness, and allow them to expand outward to you, from you. And let them expand not only to fill the city that you live in, the country in which you reside, but imagine you could extend that love and that kindness out to the entire planet, to all who live on Mother Earth. And as you get this enlarged concept, or this larger feeling within you, starting to beam these same things, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be strong, may you be free from suffering, may you be healed, and allow this to include all sentient beings, all feeling beings. May you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be strong. May you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. May you be healthy and happy and strong. Very good. And as you continue along with your day, again, I'll be in touch with some links via email, or you can leave a message for me on Facebook, the TLC Services site. I'll definitely be back on there to put some information up about the classes I'll be hosting remotely next week via Zoom. The information and details will be there to help you so you know how to sign in and stuff. And yeah, until then, may you be happy and healthy and stay strong and free from suffering. And definitely may you be at peace. So Om Shanti, 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 and Namaste. Sending you so much love. Thanks for watching.